So, looking at Access Chapter 4, there's two tables, a management table. Go ahead and open up this table. You have a management table. You also have a trading table. So there's 4 records in your trader tables and 7 records in your management table. So the instruction asks for us to save a copy of the management table as employee table. So I'm going to click on the management table. That's my active table. Let's go ahead, File, Save As, save the object as, and when I hit save, I'm just going to call it employees. Hit OK. So now I have a new employee table that's identical to the management table, because that is where I copied it from. The second thing, or the third step, is now that I've copied this table, it wants me to copy the trainer table and then paste that table in the pin records. So basically it wants me to go inside the trainer tables where there's 4 records, use those 4 records and copy it into the employee table. So basically what I'm doing is taking the management table and the trainer table and bringing it together and putting it as an employee table. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click on my trainer table. First I need to go ahead and close the table out. And I'm going to right click on my trainer table and I'm going to hit copy. I'm just going to right click here in the white area and choose paste. And I'm going to paste it in the employees table, and it wants me to append the data, so I need to choose append. I'll choose OK. And then once I open up my employee table, I see that I now have 11 records. I have the 7 records that I copied from the management table and the 4 records that I appended from the trainers table. That takes care of step 2 and 3. Step 4 wants me to open the employee table in design view. And from here, it's asking me to change the data type for the employee field, employee ID, to short text. It also asks me to change in the employee ID field, limit the field size to 4 characters. So I'm going to go down here to field size, and I'm going to change it to 4. Now for that particular field, you can only type in 4 characters. Step 6 wants me to add a new field. So underneath the field list, I'm going to add a new field here, and the name of the field will be monthly salary. It asks me to choose the data type of, sorry about the little pop-up that keep coming up. The data type will be calculated. Which means this field will be taken, will be computed from using a current field times some number. And so it gives us the information. So what I'm going to take is inside my square brackets, the annual salary, which is a current field that we already have here. I'm going to be dividing it by 12 so that I can get a monthly salary, and choose OK, and it will compute that for me. So that's step 1 through 6, and I'm just going to stop at that point right there.